In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments in Microsoft Project. If you're using Microsoft Project on the desktop, professional or standard, you won't see an attachments pane like you might in Planner. Instead, the way to attach something is to embed a file as an object inside a task or resource. This keeps everything tied to your project and makes it easy for others to open the file directly from the task. Start by opening your project in the desktop application. Switch to a task view, such as Gantt chart, so you can easily select the item you want. Click the task you want to associate with a file. You can use this same approach for a resource as well, but we'll walk through a task to demonstrate the idea. Double-click the task to open the Task Information dialog. Then, head over to the Notes tab. This is where you can place descriptive notes about the task, and it's also where you'll insert the file. In the Notes area, click the Insert Object button. When the Insert Object dialog appears, choose Create from File. Click Browse and select the file you want to attach. This can be a Word document, an Excel workbook, a PDF, or most other common file types. If you want the file to remain linked to its original location, check Link. If you leave Link unchecked, Microsoft Project will embed a copy of the file inside your project. Here's how to decide between those options. Embedding saves a copy inside the .mpp file, which is great when teammates may not have access to the original location. The attachment travels with the project wherever it goes. The trade-off is that your project file will get larger. Linking keeps your project file smaller and can reflect updates made to the original file, but anyone opening the link must have access to the source location, and the path to that file needs to remain stable. Once you've made your choice, click OK to insert the file, and then click OK again to save the note. You'll now see an icon in the Notes area indicating there's an embedded object. To open it later, return to the Task Information dialog, go to the Notes tab, and double-click the icon to launch the file. A few tips as you work. Avoid embedding very large files to keep your project responsive. Consider linking for large items that change frequently. Add a short description in the Notes field so others know what the attachment contains. And remember, you can follow the same process for a resource by selecting the resource first and opening its information dialog. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added an attachment in Microsoft Project.